Hello guys, in this video I will going to show you how to make your own website using AI tools and using some external tool which helps you in making a website. And this is only a prototype because for a fully functional website you need a database and you have to know about MySQL because a backend data management is very important in a website. So let's begin this and we will try to understand how we can make a prototype website because for a fully functional website we need domain name. Domain is called a DNS, domain network services. In that you get your own name you can choose and you can buy from any other website like GoDaddy.com and any other website. You will get easily your domain name, your IP converted into a domain name, and you can make your website public and you can easily publish your website through it. You can use Python anywhere for publish your website. This is a free version for a student for only 3 months and you have to know how to use it. So let's start. So basically for making a website you have a code, you have to write a code. I use VS Code for writing the code and that is my code. So now I will start that. So that is my product. In this I'm not adding any image because I add URL using HTML and in this image URLs is not working 100%. So let's start it and check it. Run Python file. This is my file. I import many other extension to like import Flask. Flask help you and request red art URL, OS import, UID, render, class, API, UR security key, API key. You will get easily OS environment from the OS environment. And now, okay, so let's copy this IP. Okay, this IP, and then go and paste here. My website name is Chef Copier Solution, a e-commerce website. This is a prototype because for a fully functional website we need funding, and I don't have any funding. So this is my website. In this website, no images, only a single image for a start introduction. And this is website, e-commerce website. So firstly, let's start and buy something. So I add two section. This in this no checkout option, no cash on delivery system. You only have to notify your seller, and seller will reach you soon as possible. So in this we go to add to cart system. So submit request. Okay, your order ID is has been successfully submitted. Back to home and take another one like buy. Okay, so please contact us and to complete your process. Checkout option. And now we move on back. And this website is a multi-purpose website. Like this website is a e-commerce also help you and provide services like renting, repair, like just guide. You have to just visit the website and purchase your required service you want. You have to contact with like you have to go repair section. You will get broken copier machine, printer issues, maintenance, and keep up upkeep. Like in this, you will get you will purchase EMCs of your machine. You will buy EMCs for your printer for your machine. Okay, this is only a prototype website. A fully functional website will be available soon as possible. So that's my father's mobile number, and that's his email ID, and that's our address. Okay, so this is only our prototype. Thank you so much for listening this. Thank you.